everyone, Anshita this side. Welcome to ABA Automation Hub. If you're a QA engineer or an SDET, you probably have felt it in the last year. AI is changing how we test, and it's changing faster than how we expected it, right? And there are two ways to react to it. Either you wait and hope it doesn't affect you, or you learn to use it better than anyone in your team. If you are in the category 2, then this video is for you. I'm going to launch my new AI for QA crash course, and it's launching in next 2 weeks. In today's video, I'll walk you through what this course is about and who is it for. So let me be honest with you. Most of us have already used ChatGPT for the normal testing tasks, but using AI casually and building AI into a QA workflow are two different things. And this course is about the second one. It's a hands-on course. We don't just talk about AI, you will actually build the things along with me during the live course. A few quick things about the format. It's a weekend course and the timings are 8 a.m. IST. It's a live session and you will get the lifetime access to the recordings also. In case if you're not able to attend, you will get the recorded videos. And in this course, it goes beyond the basic prompting. We will learn how to build the things, how to ship the things, how to connect your website with the database. And by end of the course, you will have your own application deployed online and connected to a database. We'll also learn about the MCP. We'll also learn about the Playwright. All right. Now let me show you what we actually cover in this course. Okay. So the course has 7 tracks and 20 modules. So the track 1 is all about the foundations. What are LLMs, context engineering, what is the difference between bad AI output and great AI output, and running AI locally on your own laptop with Ollama so that your company's private data never leaves your machine. Okay. Then track 2 is everyday QA, where we will learn about test case generation, bug reports, triage straight from a Slack thread into a clean Jira ticket, and API and database testing. Then track 3 is the coding tools, where you will learn about Claude Code, GitHub Copilot, and use it in the way QA actually uses them. And this is where it gets interesting, because this is the part you cannot just do by pasting prompts into the ChatGPT. You will build your own Claude skills, your own MCP servers, reusable tools that Claude can call directly for your own team's workflow. You will connect Jira, Slack, Gmail to the AI so that boring parts run themselves. This is real and agentic automation. Okay, this is what we are going to learn in this course. Then we get into the newer ground, which is Playwright MCP, where AI browses your app and writes your end-to-end test. Self-healing test automation so that your test stops breaking every time a locator change. And finally, evaluating systems with RAG and Promptfoo, because testing AI feature is quickly becoming part of our job as QAs. So who is this for? Working testers, SDETs, or test automation engineers, or test managers who want to stay ahead instead of catching up later. You don't need to be an AI engineer to build this. You just need to be curious and willing to build. And to be fair, let me also say this, who it's not for. If you are looking a basic intro into ChatGPT, then this course is not for you. In this course, we go into one step deeper and learn how to be more productive as a QA in your day-to-day tasks. Okay, you don't need any coding experience for this one, so don't worry. In case you're not well versed with any programming language, that's totally fine. So the batch 2 registrations are open. It's a weekend course. Go register yourself in case you are planning to upgrade yourself and be more productive at your work using AI. The form is in the comment section. It has all the details, payment detail, timing detail, and all the other details. And if you still need any more information, feel free to message me on LinkedIn or send me an email. I will share my details in the comment section below. All right. So yeah, that's all about today's video. If you're genuinely serious about your career using AI in your day-to-day work and want to be more productive, then go ahead and check out the form details, check out the course content, and if you think this is for you, then go ahead and register yourself. So there's also an early bird offer going on. The details are in the form below, and let me know in case if you have any queries. I'll just see all the comments and I'll try to reply to all of them. Thank you so much for watching AV Automation Hub. I will see you in the next video.